Hi, William. My name's Tony Wilson. I'm your designated sales representative here at Oxmoor Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. Wanted to make this video message so that way you have a face to go with the name, and now you know who you're working with here at Oxmoor Chrysler. I want to thank you for your inquiry about our 2013 Dodge Charger. I want to let you know we have several Chargers in the pre-owned category, and all of them are certified pre-owned vehicles. What that means is that they have a 125 checkpoint service inspection, and we attach a warranty which goes from the first time the vehicle was in service up to 7 years, 100,000 miles. We also attach 3,000 mile bumper to bumper coverage on there for vehicles that are outside the 36,000 miles. Of course, most of our vehicles here are low miles. So when you get this message, give me a call so I can kind of go over these vehicles with you, because the number you left me is our own. Pretty clever. However, give me a call here at the dealership. You can reach me at 502-855-5885, and I don't have a voicemail set up here, so if you can't find me here, call me on my personal cell phone. That number is 502-631-3768. William, I want to thank you again for your inquiry, and I look forward to speaking with you in person. Have a great day.